All right, what are we doing? We're doing that split again?
Position split.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it one more time, but I want to go back to the backflip. I mean, that was so fun.
You can do a backflip or two though. So let's get the split down.
Yes, of course.
Yeah. Okay, banana. Get that foot up there. Keep that butt up nice and high. Once you get back on this end, scoot over a little bit. Perfect. Once you get back on this end, arch and look back behind you. That's going to secure you into that position.
Okay.
Yeah, you got it though. You did awesome for your first one.
Thank you.
Let's do it. We're going to nail it this time. Toes up to the edge. Perfect. All right, nice good lean. Awesome. Here comes that bar. Perfect. All right. This hips going forward. Left hand on the bar. Got you back here. Nice. All right, 2 position split. All right, ready, bend your knees. And hop, a little jump.
First position. Final. Push through the
Arch, arch, arch.
arch. Cut, let go.
Better? Okay, thank you. Oh, God.
You're still not fully engaged. You're kind of like,
Let's turn your brain on back.
Oh, engage. It's still kind of just noodle. I'm like a noodle. Okay, yeah, I felt that.
the tighter you are, the lighter you fly.
Okay.
If you feel it's heavy when you're at that end, it's because you're being a loosey-goosey.
Got it.
We're talking to you.
Just listen.
Yeah.
But it definitely was easier than
What
last
do you usually
time.
look at when you're on the trapeze?
Hands.
Oh, so those are called?
Hands.
Yeah, that's an idea.
I now already?
Exactly. That's what I'm thinking about.
I'm gonna do a layout. I'm gonna do a weird Linda layout. I know, I get it. I sound like a Charlie Brown teacher. Yes. You know, we're saying legs up and you're here. I could if I tried. I'm like, you could. It all slows down eventually. I'm not gonna say it's gonna slow down today. It'll get I know, right? What you see is what you get.
I've tried very hard.
This is how it comes out. Now it's this opportunity. We never, ever, as humans, really get to turn our brains off anymore. We're always on no matter what. And this is the one thing where we are forced to turn it off, concentrate on the exact moment we're living in. Use the opportunity. Because we don't get it anywhere else.
Look up, now legs up! Come on. Look at the ball, look up. Now legs up! Alright, let's go for a flip. Next time, be a banana right now, be a banana. 3 kicks, now kick forwards, backwards, forward again.
I love her flips. Phew. Gone. Yeah.